What if one night you looked up at the sky and the moon was getting closer, not slowly but fast? At first, it might look beautiful, bigger, brighter, almost unreal, but in reality, it would be the beginning of one of the most catastrophic events in Earth's history. Because if the moon ever crashed into Earth, nothing would survive. Right now, the moon is about 384,000 kilometers away from Earth. And it's not just sitting there, it's carefully orbiting our planet. This balance is controlled by gravity. The moon stabilizes Earth's tilt, controls ocean tides, and even affects our climate. Without it, life on Earth would already be very different. But what if that balance is currently broke? If something disturbed the moon's orbit, like a massive gravitational force, the moon could begin moving toward Earth. At first, you wouldn't notice anything dramatic, but over time, the moon would appear larger in the sky, much larger. Within days, it would dominate the entire night sky, glowing brighter than ever before. And that's when things would start going wrong. As the moon gets closer, its gravitational pull becomes stronger. The oceans would react first. Tides would become extreme, not just a few meters, but hundreds of meters high. Massive walls of water would rise and crash into continents. Coastal cities would disappear within hours. Entire regions would be flooded. And this is just the beginning. The moon's gravity wouldn't just pull water, it would pull the Earth itself. The crust of the planet would begin to stretch. Earthquakes would shake the ground constantly. Volcanoes would erupt across the planet. The surface of Earth would begin to crack under pressure. At this point, survival would already be nearly impossible. As the moon gets extremely close, it would start breaking apart. Rocks and debris would rain down onto Earth. The sky would turn dark with dust and fire. Every second would feel like the end. And then, impact. When the moon finally hits Earth, the energy released would be unimaginable. It would be equivalent to billions of nuclear explosions at once. The surface of Earth would melt instantly. A massive shockwave would travel across the entire planet. Nothing, no city, no structure, no life would survive. After the collision, Earth would no longer look like the planet we know. It would become a molten, unstable world. The atmosphere would be destroyed. Debris would orbit the planet, possibly forming new rings. Life as we know it would be completely erased. All of this from something we see every night. The moon may look peaceful and harmless, but its role in our existence is far more powerful than we realize. If that balance ever broke, Earth wouldn't just change, it would end.